Imagine making your first online sale this week. No clients, no ads, no fancy website, just simple automations that work while you sleep. Right now, people are selling tiny Make.com automations for $29, $49, even $99 each, and they only built them once. Today, I'll show you 8 plug-and-play automations you can start selling this week, even if you've never touched a line of code. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the place where we turn smart ideas into real income with automation and AI. If you want to start earning online using tools like Make.com, ChatGPT, and Gumroad, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. All right, let's dive right into the automations you can literally start building and selling this week. 1. Lead magnet delivery automation. Let's start with something simple but powerful. The lead magnet delivery automation. Every online business needs new leads. But here's the problem. Most creators still deliver their freebies manually or use outdated systems that break all the time. With Make.com, you can automate the entire process. Here's how it works. Someone fills out a form on Typeform or Notion. Make.com instantly grabs their email, delivers the free file, and adds that person to your email platform, like MailerLite or ConvertKit. You can even personalize the message. Something like, "Hey Sarah, here's your free checklist. Hope you love it." It feels human, not robotic. This automation sells easily for $29 or $39. It's perfect for creators, coaches, and small business owners. You build it once, duplicate it, and resell it again and again. 2. Client onboarding automation. Now let's talk about a system that saves freelancers hours every single week. The client onboarding automation. If you've ever worked with clients, you know how painful onboarding can be. Collecting info, sending welcome emails, setting up folders, tracking payments. It's chaos. This automation changes everything. Here's how it flows. A new client fills out an onboarding form. Make.com automatically sends a personalized welcome email, adds their information to Notion or Airtable, and creates a Trello or ClickUp board with all the project details. You can even take it further by adding automatic invoice creation or Slack notifications. It's clean, it's fast, and it makes you look professional. This system sells for $49 to $99. You can call it the done-for-you client onboarding system, package it neatly, and sell it to agencies and coaches who want to look sharp and save time. 3. Testimonial collection automation. Let's move on to something creators love. The testimonial collection automation. Asking for reviews can be awkward, right? But with this automation, you'll never have to chase clients again. When a project is marked as complete in Airtable or Google Sheets, Make.com automatically sends a friendly thank you email asking for quick feedback. The responses are then stored in Google Docs or Notion, ready for use. You can even add ChatGPT to summarize long reviews into short, powerful testimonials that fit perfectly on websites or sales pages. It's a small automation with huge impact. People love it because it builds credibility on autopilot. You can sell it as the review booster automation, and it's incredibly easy to set up and customize. 4. Content repurposing automation. This one is pure gold for content creators. The content repurposing automation. Every creator struggles with keeping up on multiple platforms. They film a YouTube video and then have to spend hours rewriting it for Instagram, LinkedIn, and blogs. But this system does all of that automatically. You upload your video, Make.com pulls the transcript, sends it to ChatGPT, and turns it into blog posts, social captions, and tweets. Finally, it saves everything neatly inside Notion or Google Docs. From one piece of content, you get a full week of posts. It's the easiest way for creators to stay consistent without burning out. Bundle it with a Notion content planner, and you can easily charge $79 or even $99. It's one of the most profitable automations you can sell to influencers, freelancers, and social media managers. 5. Appointment setter automation. Next, we have something every coach and consultant needs: the appointment setter automation. So many potential clients get lost because someone forgets to confirm a call or send a reminder. This automation fixes that forever. Here's how it works. When someone books through Calendly or TidyCal, Make.com automatically sends a personalized confirmation email. Then, 24 hours before the meeting, it sends a reminder. After the call, it follows up with a thank you message or a short feedback form. You can even link it to Zoom or Google Calendar, so everything stays perfectly synced. This is what I call a set it and forget it system. It keeps things organized, saves time, and makes businesses look professional. And because the value is so obvious, people happily pay $49 to $59 for it. 6. Social media post scheduler. Now, let's talk about something every entrepreneur needs: consistent content. The social media post scheduler makes that effortless. Here's what it does. It takes content from a Google Sheet, sends it to ChatGPT to improve captions and hashtags, and then schedules everything automatically through Buffer or Publer. Instead of posting manually every day, your clients can plan an entire month of content in just a few hours. You can even build a Notion or Airtable dashboard to track scheduled posts, performance, and engagement. That turns it from a simple automation into a full social media control center. Agencies love this one. You can sell it as the social post engine for $79 to $149 depending on customization. 7. Invoice and payment follow-up automation. Let's be real. Freelancers hate chasing clients for payments. This automation handles that for them. Here's how it runs. When a project is marked as complete in ClickUp or Airtable, Make.com creates an invoice inside Google Docs, converts it to a PDF, and sends it to the client by email. If the payment isn't received after 7 days, it automatically sends a polite reminder. You can even integrate PayPal or Stripe to track when payments are received. This saves freelancers hours of awkward follow-ups. It keeps cash flow consistent and the process completely stress-free. You can sell this as the done-for-you payment flow and charge between $59 and $99 depending on how advanced you make it. 8. Digital product delivery system. And finally, the most profitable automation on this list, the digital product delivery system. This one is directly tied to sales. When someone buys a digital product from Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip, Make.com delivers the file instantly, sends a thank you message, and adds the buyer to an email sequence. You can even include an upsell follow-up like, "Thanks for your purchase." Here's a bonus mini course for $9. It's simple, it's scalable, and it runs 24/7. Creators, authors, and course sellers all need it. And they'll happily pay $99 or more for something that automates their sales forever. Build it once, test it, and you can resell it to hundreds of people. That's what makes it one of the best passive income automations you can create. So there you go. 8 automations you can literally start selling this week. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to be a marketing expert. You just need one solid system that solves a real problem. And before you go, I've put together something special to help you take action faster. It's a complete step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to pick your first automation idea, build it with Make.com, package it like a digital product, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details in the pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, which automation would you build first? Thanks for watching, and remember, build once, sell forever. Let's automate and grow together.